concerns about this issue.
The delegation of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today met Governor Chandra Shekhar H. Vijay Shankar at Raj Bhavan. The delegation of the council was led by the Chief Executive Member Pinyat Singh CM in the presence of Deputy CM Pinchangan NCM and the executive members. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, KHADC CM informed that the discussion with the governor mainly revolves around the 7 pending bills which were passed by the council since last year. He informed that they have stressed upon the governor to give his assent on the 2 important bills, KHADC Administration of Ilaka Amendment Bill 2023 and KHAD Khasi Social Custom and Lineage Amendment Bill 2023.
But nila pensngol yaulat ba kani kalong kebadan kam haduk kata. But nakaliang governor langsung tu bahai ni kabil, makani kabil kadai habe kadai syapang kajing tunkup bol lani kajing itu dakaan ya kajing terikam jong kiseng samla hapok kisnong but kiseng kentai lani kiseng long kami hapok kisnong.